Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to know if you verify account of PayPal, if your account of PayPal is verified. So if you want to know that, you need to you need to first you need to search PayPal in the page, and after that you need to log in your account. And here in that part where said cartera in English, this is a wallet. You need to go to wallet, and here in wallet you need to verify if you got if the PayPal gives to you the option of register another card or another bank account. And here you got the money you got in PayPal and the money you got in your Visa in your card. So if PayPal gives to you this option of register a Visa or a card or a bank account, your account is verified. So right now, this is the only option we got for know if our account is verified. So remember, you need to get a Visa or the option of to log in a bank account or a Visa or a Mastercard, a card, credit card in your PayPal app. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.